pre-war elegance, intimate spaciousness, and the stunning beauty of Central Park as your front yard. These are the qualities that I think of in this special home. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to 410 Central Park West. As soon as you come through the door, you know you're in a special place. The original inlaid wood floors beckon you inside. The living room has exposed beams and customized recessed lighting. To say that there are beautiful Central Park views would be an understatement. Look at that vista. There is a view of the reservoir, and right inside the park across the street is the pool, which is not a swimming pool, but a naturally appearing body of water. The eastern exposure gives you sun in the morning, not to mention moonlit nights. And in the afternoons, as the sun moves west, it shines on the buildings across the park on Fifth Avenue, reflecting the light. The kitchen is beautifully renovated and thoughtfully appointed. There are quartz countertops, distinct ceramic backsplashes, stainless steel appliances, including a Liebherr refrigerator and Bosch dishwasher, and there's a large wine cooler. I love this cozy breakfast nook, and the large foyer can also serve as a dining room. The primary bedroom, which also overlooks the park, has an ensuite half bathroom. The apartment's full bathroom is beautifully renovated and even has a jacuzzi tub. There is a second bedroom, presently used as an office, a very spacious office, in fact. This room faces west, so in addition to providing cross ventilation for the entire apartment, it affords watching beautiful sunsets over the Upper West Side. The hallway has track lighting, making it a great space to display art, and there are ceiling fans in both bedrooms. There is a 24-hour doorman and a live-in super. The co-op has separate storage, a bike room, a gym, and a laundry room. Pets are welcome. In-unit washers and dryers are allowed, subject to board approval. Whole Foods and Trader Joe's are nearby. There is a farmer's market down the street on Fridays. And even though mom and pop shops still abound, there are well-known places to eat and drink, including Starbucks and Bear Burger. One of my favorite local businesses, Priceless Pet Services, is right around the corner. And you're close to public transportation. Well, thanks for joining us on this tour today. It's a great place to end it, right in the serene place, along with the ducks. If you'd like to see this very beautiful property in this very special place, I would love to show it to you. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and I will see you at 410 Central Park West.